Hi, my name is George Tanos. I'm a former IRS agent. Our topic for today is learning about IRS audits. Whether you're representing your clients before the IRS or whether you want to represent yourself. If you're representing your client, it's a good thing to understand and learn. You can make thousands of dollars to your bottom line each year thereafter. And if you are a taxpayer who can't afford a professional, study our materials, represent yourself, and save thousands of dollars. When you join IRS Tax University, you will learn many topics about IRS audits. To begin with, you will learn about the IRS audit letter, whether it comes from a service center, an office examiner. You will learn about an IRS agent like I used to be. Three possibilities that you could be audited. We will also teach you about the most IRS audited code sections. It's good to know that we know ahead of time what does usually the IRS look for and what code section do they relate to. We teach you about the initial interview. Whenever you're being audited, whether it'll be an office exam or in the field where an IRS agent will come to your home or place of business, they will always do an initial interview, and therefore you should know what it's all about. Be ready for them ahead of time before they come out to you. We will teach you about the bank deposit analysis and why it is so important. Whenever you're being examined, the IRS agent or the office examiner will ask you for your bank statements, and what they do, they add up all the deposits to see if you reported everything on the tax return. We get in depth about this topic because if there are any errors, they will assess income upon you, and you will pay not just the taxes owed, you will pay interest and penalties, and if you add them up, they're about 20% a year. So if you're being audited 2 years later, let's assume today is July of 2008 and they're auditing you for 2006, the interest and the penalties will begin way back from April 15, 2007, which is the due date of the return. We will teach you about the IRS expense substantiation. So how can you substantiate to the IRS what it is that you claimed on a tax return, whether it will be on a Schedule A, such as mortgage interest expense deduction, charity, boy are they looking at this today, employee business expense deductions, or what if you have a Schedule C, a sole proprietor, or a corporation, or a partnership return, or rental income on a Schedule E. We'll teach you how to prepare to represent your expenses to the IRS and substantiate all of them to them, and what you can do, of course, if you don't have it. We'll also get into IRS compliance, why it's important to be in compliance with the IRS, and why you should take any measures before the audit to get into compliance. So you go there first before they come to you, type of thing. We will also show you the examination report, what it looks like, and if you're in business, we will give you a sample of the engagement agreement. This is what I've been using since 1994, 14 years now. You have a sample of that. We also show you how to market your practice and even how much to charge for those services. So join us if you are in business as a tax practitioner, a CPA, an enrolled agent, an attorney, or anyone wanting to get into the business of representing others before the IRS. Join us, learn from us, make money. Or if you're an individual that can't afford a professional, you don't want to pay him thousands of dollars, learn from my experience and benefit from it and save thousands of dollars. So go ahead and join us. I thank you.